Matt's load up another soft tyre, have another crack at it. He's got enough time to get in the pit box and go out and have another crack at it. You'll see the guys probably do one or two last a half second quicker than he has been all weekend long on his very first fast lap here in QP1. Now we're watching Andrea Iannone, and his nickname Crazy Joe has yet to emerge. He's really been very serious about his opportunity here on the Pramac team alongside Ben Spies on what amounts to a factory Ducati bike.